So this is my next little project here, is to patch up this fence. Where you see those red vertical boards that are short, that was the original fence. It only came up about 5 feet or 4.5 feet or something. It's kind of ridiculous. And then you can see to the left, this fence leans to the left into the neighbor's yard. And if you can see back in there beyond the shed, I've already rebuilt the fence along that shed. It's probably hard to see in the shadows. So what I'm going to do is take out those boards right there, those red short boards, remove that, and I'm going to build a fence, parallel fence. I got to get past this wood pile here. There's a wood pile there. I'm going to set a post over there and then set a post over here. And then basically build a fence in parallel on my property line. And once you get over here, right about there, actually right there, that fence, and then moving to the left is okay, I think, over here. And that's toward the front, toward the street there. Yeah, that fence is okay. So when I get those red boards down, you can see there's 2 boards that are horizontal. I'm going to take those out. And then that post right there, I'm going to have to cut into that to get my horizontal boards to fit in there to align with... I got those vertical red boards removed there. And then those 2, that horizontal board right there and that lower one, I'm going to remove those also. But before I do, I need to, see that fence is leaning away from me toward the neighbors. So like right in there, let's go with that. Right in there, I'm going to use an angle bracket and secure this post to that board, and probably secure this to that, and vice versa. So I'm going to secure that fence is falling away on the neighbor's side to those existing posts before I put my fence up right next to it.